The MagVision glasses in 2025 have quickly captured attention as one of the most innovative wearable technologies of the year, offering a seamless blend of fashion, comfort, and advanced functionality. These smart glasses are designed for users who want the convenience of hands-free digital interaction without sacrificing style. Equipped with a lightweight frame and high-quality lenses, they deliver a comfortable fit for all-day wear. The standout feature is their augmented reality R display, which projects notifications, navigation directions, and real-time information directly into the user's field of vision, making multitasking more efficient than ever. The MagVision glasses also include voice control, touch-sensitive temples, and compatibility with smartphones, allowing users to answer calls, control music, or check messages with ease. Battery life has been optimized to last through a full day of regular use, and the glasses are built to be water and dust resistant, making them suitable for various environments. In 2025, they stand out as a sleek, high-tech accessory for professionals, travelers, and tech enthusiasts who value both style and practicality in their wearable gadgets.